High-speed police chases that escalated into chaos, from a stolen BMW tearing through the streets on April 9th, to a suspect crashing his Honda straight into a wall on February 5th, to a wild collision with a police car, and even a tragic, fatal crash. Welcome to Viral Bodycam Stories. Case 1. On April 9th, 2025, in Lansing, Michigan, deputies tried stopping a stolen BMW X5 speeding eastbound on Hyundai 96. The 19-year-old driver led them on a wild chase, hitting speeds over 120 miles per hour and crashing into at least 6 vehicles. During the pursuit, suspects threw 2 firearms from the moving SUV. The chase ended when the BMW collided head-on with another car at a red light, leaving a trail of wreckage across highways and city streets.
Clear on the construction lane at 1639.
Exit, please exit.
There's just exit 1640.
13 midnight. Coming down the ramp.
Fine, you almost lost it.
Going open the yard, 6043.
I think you just ran the sheriff's car. Yeah, 13's with him. It's like, I'll call it 35. He's going over Spencer. Eastbound.
There, eastbound over Spencer, 13 in there, verify back calling, 6040 go.
You have 3 in pursuit now. Going westbound. Westbound. Back on the ticket.
They're about 3 clear down, this is called 6045.
Trip crash. He just rear-ended the vehicle, black edge.
They're rear-ended black edge.
Right shoulder, rear-ended. We're still continuing westbound.
They're rear-ended.
Just threw a gun out.
Just threw a gun out, 6045.
Gun out. Right at the westbound on-ramp. Ready for braking. Rear-ended white truck.
Rear-ended white truck, 6047. Units, be advised, I'm on with Hingham right now. They're trying to get you sticks. They said this vehicle is involved in a retail fraud out of Dix and Okemos earlier.
Up on the shoulder. Fowlerville. Trying to get back on the expressway. You're back up on the expressway.
They're up on the shoulder, now back on the expressway as you get to the car.
Looks like we're exiting off at 104. Exit 104. Getting off.
Exiting at 104, getting off at 1706. Okay, I'm starting approaching another intersection.
Just head on the car, another car on Jolly. Jolly is
Another vehicle, Jolly, 1708.
one white male, 3 black.
One white male, 3 black, failing 1708.
You just head on the car, another car on Jolly. Jolly and Balin.
Head on with another vehicle, Jolly.
One white male, 3 black.
All units responding, be advised, suspects may still be armed. Be advised, suspects may still be armed. Use caution.
The 19-year-old driver now faces multiple charges and remains in custody. 4 other teens inside, ages 15 to 18, were also arrested. 1 sent to juvenile detention, another jailed for violating bond. Remarkably, no serious injuries were reported despite the high-speed chaos. Police are still searching for 2 more suspects who fled on foot. 5 arrested, 2 still wanted. No major injuries. Case 2. On February 5th, 2025, in Waterbury, Connecticut, officers spotted a stolen Honda Accord parked with 2 people inside. When they moved in, 42-year-old Daniel Baker tried to escape, crashing into a police car and a brick wall. He was quickly captured and treated for facial injuries. His passenger, Jeanette Olivencia, was arrested without a fight. A search uncovered drug paraphernalia inside the stolen car.
go. Let's go.
Baker now faces a long list of charges, including motor vehicle theft, reckless driving, drug possession, and an outstanding warrant. Olivencia is also charged with vehicle theft and drug offenses. Both were taken into custody and processed without further incident. 2 arrested, stolen car and drugs seized. Case 3. On November 22, 2022, near Little Rock, Arkansas, 19-year-old Tyrese Lancaster was clocked at 90 miles per hour, sparking a police pursuit on I-530. As troopers closed in, Lancaster lost control at an exit ramp, crashing into a guardrail and creating a cloud of dust. A trooper's unit accidentally struck Lancaster's disabled car during the chaos, but no serious injuries occurred.
Right down. 38, stop around 35.
Tried to stop. Damn. Tried to stop. Damn. Yeah, damn. I tried to stop. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Anybody else in the car? All right. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. You good? I'm wrecked out. I'm wrecked out, Sarge. Wrecked out, wrecked out, wrecked out.
38.
Hey, head! Put him up! Put him up! On the ground! 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 Hands behind you. Hands behind you. You good? You good? Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Anybody else in the car? No. All right. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. You good? You good? Yes, sir. 12 Palm Grove start at 10:16. Come on. No, you ain't getting nothing. You ain't getting nothing. I'm wrecked out, Sarge. Hey, stop. Took it too. Yeah. Too cool. Hey, get over here. It's all good. It's all good. Get over. We got to shut down. All right. Well, you're running like you're stupid. Shut up. Out here risking everybody's life in danger, bro. What's wrong with you? That's stupid. That's ain't no because nothing. That's stupid. Get in the car. Let's go. Okay, yeah, I know it's okay. Yeah, I'm good. Yeah. Stop talking. Okay, bro. Shut up. What you say? What you say?
My bad.
Hey, you good?
Yeah, I'm good, bro. I'm good.
Hey, son, I got a 10-16 for him.
I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
I'm good. Didn't none deployed, no airbag, no. I'm good.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Hey, you tell him we 10-15?
15-4, you want me to shut the bottom of the ramp down? Come up there.
Hey, negative. We got Whitehall PD shutting down. We got 110-15 as well.
10-4.
Yeah, I'm good. I appreciate it, man.
I'm trying to get out your way.
Yeah, oh, no. Hey, you straight, bro? Are you good?
I'm
all right.
good, man.
Okay. All right. All right.
I guess I'm coming too high. I tried to lock it up, but he kind of...
Well, I saw when he ran around that curve that it was over with.
He took 32 and jumped back up?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll try and turn around.
Lancaster was arrested at the scene, treated for minor injuries, and booked on multiple charges including fleeing, reckless driving, speeding, and possession of alcohol as a minor. Troopers recovered unopened beer inside his car. No officers required hospital treatment.
Hey, yeah, he got one coming.
Teen arrested, faces multiple charges. Case 4. On January 5, 2025, in Yorkville, Illinois, 17-year-old Nichelle Hill fled from police after being stopped over a stolen vehicle linked to package theft. The chase tore through residential streets at high speeds before Hill lost control, crashing through a tree and flipping her car. Hill was ejected during the crash and tragically died at the scene. Police confirmed the vehicle had been reported stolen days earlier. The pursuing officer did not witness the crash directly, but arrived moments later to find the aftermath. Teen killed. Stolen car chase ends fatally.